Hi children, today let us do some more beginning consonant blends. Alright, let's look at the word, learn to understand, read aloud. And what are the letters we are using? Today we are taking three very nice letters. S, P, R, spra. Yeah, we are going to use these three words, letters in the word, beginning consonant blend, spra. Let's look at our first word. Look, S-P-R, spra, A, spray. Nowadays, there are a lot of mosquitoes. What do the corporation do? They bring spray. Put spray on all the plants, water, everything, so that the mosquito eggs will die. Mosquitoes will not trouble us. Yes? Spray. To make the room fresh, what does daddy do? He will put some spray. What does the mommy do when she goes out? On a sari, she will put a spray that is smelling sweet. Let's look at our next word. Spra. Spraying. Spring. Spring is one of the 4 seasons. But in India, we do have only 3 seasons. Spring is a season when small yellow, small fresh leaves and flowers come, make the place a beautiful place. Your sofa in your house must be having spring because you like to sit and jump on it. And what does daddy say? Don't jump, the spring will break. Yes? Spraying, spring. Now, let's look at another word. Sprain, sprain. When you play some game, when you read for a long time or write for a long time, you get a sprain on the neck. That means you can't shift your neck. Then you say, Mama, I have a sprain on my neck. Or you ran for a sports and your ankles, your leg got twisted. Mama, I cannot walk properly. I have a sprain on my leg. A twist. Yes? Let's take another word in spra. Spread. Spread. Yes? When the guests come home, what does mommy do? She'll spread a new bed sheet on the bed, new tablecloth. Yes? Spread. Yes? She will spread. Now, you go to school and you tell mommy, Mommy, today I would like to have some bread, butter, strawberry jam. Then she'll take out the bread. She will spread butter on the bread. She will spread strawberry jam on the bread. And she'll make a beautiful sandwich for you. Spread. Yes? Guests come home. What does mommy do? She'll make many dishes. And what will daddy say? How come there is a large spread on the table? Spread. Let's look at another word with spra. Spruce. 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 What is spruce? Festivals come. Or daddy's golden jubilee or your parents' silver jubilee come. What do? You will clean up the place, paint the wall, put new curtains, put beautiful flowers, clean the floor. What are you trying to do? You are making the place beautiful. Spruce up the place. Look beautiful. Paint it, change the curtain. That is sprucing up. Making the place look bright and beautiful. Shall we look at another word? Look. Sprint. Sprint. You go for a marathon running race, and if you run on the same pace, it's called sprint. Yes? Sprint. For a long distance, for 2 hours, so many miles you have to cover, so you keep running in the same sprint. space. Good. Shall we look at another word with spr? Sprout. Sprout. Today, the doctors say it's very healthy to eat sprouted grains. Yes, some grains, green grams and so many grams, different type of thing can be put into the water in a moist cloth, make the root come out. That's called sprouting. Mummy wants to grow some vegetables in the garden. She takes a wet cloth, puts some seeds in it. Seeds, and then she put it on a moist cloth, allow it to sprout, allow the root to come out, like lady's finger, long beans, and whatnot. You can grow pumpkin, anything. After it has sprouted, you plant it in a place in the garden. Sprout. Sprouted vegetables, grains are good for health. Good. Let's look at our last word. Sprung. Now, in the jungle, there are animals that eat smaller animals. Okay? Now, like the lion, tiger, cheetah, they all love to eat deers and rabbits and whatnot. So what they do? They hide in a place in the jungle. When the deer comes to drink water or baby calf come to drink water in a stream, he will run behind and he will get hold of. He will spring upon a small animal and he will kill and eat. He will, what has the lion done? He sprung upon a small baby calf for eating. Good. Shall we look at all our word beginning consonant blend? Spr. Read aloud the word several times. Spr, a, spray. Spr, ing, spring. Spr, ain, spreen. Spr, ed, spread. Spr, oos, spruce. Spr, ind, sprint. Spr, out, sprout. Spr, sprung. Good. Now, we will do a small exercise. Let's look at the first picture. Guess the word with spr. Shall we? Good. Look at our first picture. Now this is what you have in your sofa cum bed. Inside, you cannot see it, but when you sit and get up, it will give a nice bouncy feeling. There are several things like this in the sofa cum bed. Spring, spring. There will be few springs. So when you sit up, sit and get up, sit and get up, it will give a good feeling. Then daddy will say, why are you jumping? The spring will get bad. Spring, spring. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look. See what we have here. This little boy is having a marathon running. And he has to keep the same pace for running. And what do we call that? He'll keep running for long hours or the timing given or so many meters. And the same pace he has to run or walk. What's called? Sprint. Sprint, sprint. On the track. He has to go on the track in the same pace, and that's called a sprint. Good. Let's go to another picture. Look what we have here. We have here some grains, some gram. Mummy has sprayed water on it and made it sprout. All the roots are out. Now you can eat this raw. You can also eat it like salad. You can also eat boiled. But this one, if you eat it raw, it's very good for health. What is it called? Sprouts. Good. Sprout. These are called sprouts. Sprouts. There are brown grams, green grams. Anything can be sprouted and eaten. Lightly boiled and eaten. Good for health. You will become healthy and strong. What is this? Sprout. Sprout. Sprouts. Good. Let's take a new picture now. Look what we have here. To make the room fresh, what does Daddy do? He put a spray. For the birthday, what do? You throw spray, isn't it? This is spray. 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 Sometimes you spray on an insect to get rid of insects, cockroaches and ants that come. You can put a special spray to get rid of them. Spray. When you're all going out, what do you ask, Mommy? Put little spray for me. Nice smelling spray. Good. Shall we look at another picture and guess the word with spray? Good. Here is a plate with a slice of bread. And what is being put on it? Butter. Mommy is spreading butter on a slice of bread. You can put butter on the bread. You can put jam on the bread. You can put honey on the bread. Spread it nicely. And then you can eat it. Very tasty. What are you spreading here? Butter being spread on a slice of bread. Spread. Spread.